This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Was Sent Some Shit. Let's unbox it. And today we have a new Pop Mart series. This is the Chaka Candlelit Wander series. Oh my God, this is also really, really heavy, so I'm gonna put it down. I am really intrigued by this series because I have a couple of little Chaka figures. I can't remember the series name. I'll pop it up right here. The two that I initially pulled, I wasn't a huge fan of. The only one that I really loved in this series was this little lady. Hold on, let me show you. I love her. She kind of looks like Mrs. Peacock from the movie Clue. I love her. But anyway, this series is slowly growing on me. They're very beautiful. They're like little candles. They're super cute. So when my buddies over at Popboxes was like, hey baby, do you want to unbox this? I was like, absolutely, thank you. I love your faces. And they said, I love you too. And we're like, yay, okay. So a huge thank you to Popboxes for sending this to me. I appreciate and love your little adorable little faces. You know how to make this girl really happy. Thank you. Now, if you are new here, Popboxes is an awesome, awesome website that not only am I affiliated with, but I am a customer. And I love them because they usually have things that I cannot find anywhere else. Their pricing, their shipping, everything is just so good. But specifically their shipping. I have purchased things and within like a week it shows up. And that is unheard of, okay, unheard of. And I always love that they have something going on in their website, whether it's free shipping or if you spend a certain amount, you get a little something extra for free. They're always giving away such exquisite little gifts. I love it. And those little exquisite gifts can sometimes be a rare Labubu or a rare Skull Panda. Or the one that I got actually for my order is like this little Nomi guy. Like they're just so good. Popboxes is so good. And the other thing I really like too is if you don't like the whole kind of gambling of like a blind box. Say you're looking for, I don't know, Pom Pom Purin, everyone's favorite divorced dad, and you don't want to have to go through a bunch of blind boxes, you just want to buy him specifically, you can. That's what I love about Popboxes, they're so good. So if you feel like checking out Popboxes, which I invite you to do so, definitely feel free to use my code, Theresa. You can save 15% off your order. We love saving money here. So again, thank you to Popboxes for sending this my way. I truly appreciate and love your faces. And now let's open these little babies because I'm dying to know what's inside. I hope we get the secret. Fingers crossed. Okay, let's try it out. So this series is really, really cute. Really, really cute. There are 8 boxes in the whole set and all of them look pretty adorable. And then of course we have the secret. The goal today is to get the secret because we will stop at nothing to get the secret. But if we don't get it, it's A-OK USA, all right? So here are all the little options that we have here. I actually put this together properly. So I'm gonna look at it down here. Makes things a little bit easier for me. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, I need Fortune's Elixir. Voyage through pages. Oh, these are so adorable. I also think they light up as well. So I'm excited for that. Also, do you hear that? That's the wind. All right. Hopefully the house doesn't blow away. Fingers crossed. Okay. So let's see. Who do I think is going to be in this box? I am usually pretty motherfucking psychic and I'm feeling very psychic today. I feel it in my bones. So I think, oh, is this going to be Runaway Princess? It's kind of hard because they're all pretty, yeah, they're all pretty heavy. So it's not really giving anything away. But I think, who do I think you're going to be? I think you might be Starry Conductor. If you're not Starry Conductor, I think you might be Runaway Princess. I feel like those are the two that speak to me the most. Let's see if I'm remotely right. So final answer, Starry Conductor. It is not Starry Conductor. Who the fuck are you? Oh, wait, there's like extra pieces. Hold, please. You are Moonlit Serenade. Okay, I would have never guessed that. All right, there you go. Moonlit Serenade, there's the card. We love the card. This is so pretty. Okay, wait a second. Hold, there's like instructions too, which I appreciate. All right, oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. All right, how do you put this on? Oh, that is so smart. Okay. Just take it up. Okay. Ooh, all right. Okay, I did that. Okay, so what the hell does that mean? Ah! Okay, okay. Oh my God, that's, all right, wait, stop. Okay. All right, you literally touch it. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, girl. Okay, hold on, hold please. That is so good. Okay, wait. I don't feel like you're gonna be able to see it, but there's a light just to kind of show you. So hold on, let me put the little guy on top of it. Oh, that is, shut up. Oh my God, that is so cute. Again, I don't feel like it's doing it any justice. I'm gonna put a picture too so you can kind of get like the full effect of it. Obviously when I don't have 25 bright studio lights in front of me. But this one is so pretty. Also, thank you for the instructions being as easy as as they are. Love that. Okay, so Moonlit Serenade. We're gonna put you to the side, my little baby. They're very sensitive, very sensitive. So you just like tap your little fingy and it will turn on. So just a heads up there, heads up. Okay, all right, box number 2. Ooh, who do I think this is gonna be? I kind of feel like it could be Fortune Elixir. I want it to be Fortune Elixir so badly. But if it's not that, I think it could be Blessings from an Auditorium. Because I don't know, something about that one, it feels like it could be that. So I'm gonna say Blessings from an Auditorium. If not, it's Fortune's Elixir. Bitch, it's not that. What the fuck? Oh, okay, hold on. I am not lucky today. Holy shit. This is Milky Way Weaver. Okay, all right, love that. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, let me take the little plastic guy off you. Okay, I love it. Oh, that is so fucking cute. Shut up. So there again, there's a light. That is so adorable. Oh, I love this. That is so cute. Oh my God. That is really pretty. These are big. They are really, really big. They kind of remind me of like a cuter version of Precious Moments in a way. And honestly, I'm here for it. All right, so far my guessing skills suck ass. So I think immediately I looked at Runaway Princess. I think it's gonna be Runaway Princess. If it's not Runaway Princess, it's definitely gonna be Starry Conductor. Or maybe Moonlit Serenade? Nope, we already have Moonlit Serenade, you dumb bitch. Okay, I think it's gonna be Runaway Princess or Starry Conductor. Let's see if I'm right. Bitch, no. Okay, so this is technically the one that I said last time, which is Blessings from an Auditorium. Here's your card. Card is adorable. This one really reminds me of, oh God, what is it? Oh, it's from Sanrio. Little twin stars. That's what this one reminds me of in the best possible way ever. This is super cute. Okay, hi, baby. You need to go in your hole. Okay, thank you. Oh, you are so cute. Oh my God, shut up. That is so cute. I love the little detail of them. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, like a kid. Gonna be doing this all day. All right, box number 4. I'm not feeling good about this. Maybe my luck will change, but man, oh man. Okay, come on, I need to get it together. Voyage Through Pages. It's the first one that speaks to me. If it's not that one, it's definitely Fortune's Elixir. Watch it be Candlelit Dinner. Bitch, yes! Finally, I'm back in the game. Okay. This one is Voyage Through Pages. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. Oh, you might be my favorite one. I think you're my favorite one. There's something oddly just calming and majestic that I love so much. Oh, that's so good. Oh, that's so good. Oh, she's so good. Look at her. She's a fucking captain. She's so cute. Oh, I love that. I like the little portholes in the back. Oh, this one's adorable. Also, it kind of feels like the heaviest one. Yeah, she's the heaviest one. We love a fat bitch. All right. We have 4 more to go. I still haven't found my Fortune Elixir. So I'm a little like, we need to make sure we have her. I kind of have a feeling this is the one. This is my Fortune Elixir. If it's not my Fortune Elixir, it's going to be Starry Conductor. Actually, I feel like it could be Runaway Princess. Okay, so if it's not Fortune Elixir, it's Runaway Princess. It's one of those two. No, bitch, it's Candlelight Dinner. And I'm back to sucking. Okay, here we go. Here's the card. Okay, love, love, love. All right. And then let me put her stuff together. Girl, get it together. So here is the card for Candlelit Dinner. Okay. Oh, she's so cute. Girls, oh, are you eating by yourself? Oh no, I like that you have a little friend. Ah! Okay. You have a little friend. He has like a little apple down here. We love him. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, I love this one. Oh, I love the little stained glass windows. Oh, that's such a beautiful little detail. Oh, you are good. Okay, I love you. Ooh, all right. This is gonna be kind of hard at the end to rank them. I have 3 boxes left. All right, and we are missing. Who are we missing? Runaway Princess, Starry Conductor, Fortune's Elixir, and then potentially The Secret. and they all feel exactly the same. I think this one's gonna be Runaway Princess. If it's not Runaway Princess, this is gonna be my bitch Fortune Elixir. No, you are Starry Conductor. I was so fucking wrong. So here's the card. Love, 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 love the card. You match my nails perfectly. Ooh, you are cute. I love, first of all, she matches my nails perfectly. But I love the little detail. I don't know if it's a music note. I'm assuming it is. I didn't get really past 8th grade chorus, so I don't really know. But this is adorable. I love her. She's so cute. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, we have 2 boxes left, and I have been horrible at picking. I don't feel lucky. I don't feel like we're gonna get the secret. So I'm already gonna take the secret out of my hand. All right, it's gone. I think this is gonna be Fortune Elixir. If it's not, then it has no other choice but to be Runaway Princess. Yes, Runaway Princess. Okay, first of all, I'm a little scared now because if this is not Fortune Elixir, then it's a secret, which the secret's fine. I like the secret, but I really wanted Fortune Elixir. I'm nervous. Ah! Okay, here's the card. Very beautiful. Love the card. Can I tell you, I kind of absolutely love this one because she reminds me of like a little runaway bride. Bitch is running. She doesn't want to get married. And I like that. The detail in this one is so good. I love the little castle windows. I love that there's like a little candle in the window. There's like a little arrow that's like, bitch, this way. I love that. Oh, it's so good. These are so cute. They are so well made too. Damn. Okay. This one has to be Fortune Elixir. If it's not Fortune Elixir, then it's a secret. And then I'm kind of sad. And then I'm gonna have to go figure out how to get Fortune Elixir because I need it. Ow, I need it. Yay! Okay, good. Oh, I love you, you little witchy bitch. Ah, I love you. All right, hold on, let me show you the goods. Oh, you're so cute. Here's the card. All right, very beautiful. And this girl is so good. Oh my God. Okay, first of all, my favorite, absolute favorite one. I'm sorry I'm spoiling it already, but she is fucking everything, okay? I love the back of it so much. Oh, that's so good. She is so cute. I can't stand it. I absolutely love the back detail. It's so adorable. I love that she's a witch. I love that she's pouring stuff in her giant cauldron. She is so cute. Oh my God, you're so cute. Now we gotta rank these little ladies. All right, hold on a second. Okay, these are super adorable and I need to be ruthless as all hell because immediately I just wanna be like, they're all #1. That cannot happen. Sorry, it can't happen. So I'm gonna say my least favorite, only because I have to, all right? Literally, someone's gonna chuck me in that volcano if I don't say it. I'm gonna go with this little lady, the Midnight Serenade. I think this one is super cute. However, I think it would be cuter if it had, I don't know, if it was like maybe like a dark blue, like maybe a gradient of like dark blue into like this light pastel blue. I think it would just, I don't know. It would make me think of like Midnight a little bit more. I do think this one's really pretty and I love the detail, but I think other ones in this collection are cuter. So you're my least favorite. I love you though. I love you, but I'm gonna have to put you down. Sorry. Okay, #7. Oh, bitch. I think #7 for me is gonna be Blessings from an Auditorium. This one's kind of giving me Little Twin Stars vibe, which listen, I love. I do love me Little Twin Stars, okay? Not so much the Sugar Plum makeup collection, but the characters, yes. And it kind of reminds me, or like maybe like that in a hybrid of Precious Moments. I think this one's super cute. It's super pretty, but in terms of like the other ones, I think the other ones are just like executed a little bit better. Also, I wish there was, I don't know, something. Like I feel like everything else kind of makes sense to what the card is. This one, Blessings from Auditorium, I'm like, maybe I'm just stupid and it's not clicking in my brain. Possibility. So that's probably what it is. But I think the other ones in this collection are a little bit cuter. But I definitely like this one more than the Midnight Serenade. I know, they're cute though, but you're not my favorite. I'm sorry, mama. I'm sorry. Okay, now #6. This is where it's gonna get difficult. I think we're gonna go in with this one though, Starry Conductor. I love. I love the color. I feel like, again, matches my nails perfectly. I love the symbol. I just think it's just so fucking adorable. And I kind of love that she is just like, oh, I love that. I love that. But I think there are things in this collection that I like a little bit more. But the more I look at it, the more I'm like, am I making the right decision? Yes, I am. Okay, #6. #5. Oh, I love all of them. Shit. Okay, we're gonna go with this one, #5. Milky Way Weaver. Okay. There is something really really adorable about this one, okay? You know what? This is gonna sound really funny, but it reminds me of, oh God, the Are You Afraid of the Dark episode? Is it with Bobcat Goldthwait? I think it's like the Sandman or something. I don't know why it reminds me of this though. And I feel like only maybe 10% of the people are gonna be like, what the are you talking about? But it kind of reminds me of it, but like in a non-Are You Afraid of the Dark kind of a way. If that makes any sense. Like, I love the whole vibe of this, and I do love that she is like making little curtains. Like, it's super, super cute. But I think the other ones in the collection I like a little bit more. So that's why she is going to be my number 5. But she is cute though. You are cute. You are adorable, but I think there are other ones in this collection that are a little bit cuter. All right. So that's number 5. Number 4. I think number 4 has to go to my runaway princess, my little runaway bride. I love how cute this one is. I love the arrow detail. I love the little castle windows. I think they're so cute. I love that she has her little gold slipper right here. It also is kind of giving me the vibes of like Super Mario Brothers a little bit, and I really dig that. But I think the other 3 that are in front of me are just a little bit cuter than this one. But you are my little princess. And I love that you're running. You don't need to get married. You don't need to get married. All right, bye. Number 3 has to go to my lady of leisure over here, my candlelit dinner. This one, I didn't expect it to be this cute. Like I was like, oh, okay, this is cute. This is fucking cute, all right? I, first of all, love the little detail of the stained glass windows. So adorable. I love the whole kind of colorway. I love this little guy down here. He's like, hi. I love him. I love that she's eating a giant piece of cake. First of all, relatable, 10 out of 10. I'd be doing the same thing. And I just love the overall like regal style of her. Like, she is so cute. Like, she is so adorable. And again, I really like how the light looks in this. Like, this one is so cute, but I like the other one a little bit more. That's why she's number 3, but you're so adorable in my eyes. So candlelit dinner, number 3. Number 2 has to go to my voyage through pages. This one, I didn't expect to be as cute as it is. It's also the heaviest one too, which I love. And this one is adorable because I love the little portholes in the back. Portholes are adorable. And you flip her to the front. This bitch is a captain. I am the captain now. I love that. I like that she has her little book. I love the ship wheel. I love the water coming out. Like, everything about this is so good. Like, oh, it's so good. This one's so cute. But it's not as cute as this one. Number 1 is going to be my Fortune's Elixir. This one is everything. Look at her. She looks like such a badass witch bitch. And I love that. I love her cauldron. I love that she's pouring stuff into it. She's just so cute. I love the symbol in the back. Oh my God, the moon is so good. She is just so fun. I don't know. There's just something witchy and beautiful about this one. Like, these really exceeded my expectation. And I feel like they're just gonna match so perfectly with my little Mrs. Peacock over here. I think that's gonna be so cute. So I love these. These are really just well made. And again, I kind of love just like how simple it is. You just do that. It's so good. It's so good. So I'm going to show you a little clip of what they look like without the lights on, and you can see how beautiful they are. They're just adorable little angels. We love them. And I also don't want to kill any of the batteries. But just a heads up though, if you do get these, they are very sensitive. So if you do like place them down, they do, they all kind of popped on. Boop. Ah, oh, that was fun. Okay. That is way too much fun. These are really, really cute. I love them. Now, I would love to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have any of them. Do you have the secret, or were there ones that you would rank higher? Let me know, because I love hearing from you. And of course, thank you so much again to Popboxes for sending this to me. I love your faces. And again, if you ever want to check out anything from them, you can, and you should. And you should also use my code, because it can save you 15% off your order. Just use the code Theresa. All right, that's all you need to do. Very simple. And of course, I want to say a very, very special thank you to all my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your little faces, and I'll see you little garbage cans tomorrow. Bye.